Good morning, friends, and welcome back to Coop. Coop is a channel where we talk about lifestyle, luxury, travel, and everyday entertaining. Today, I am making a vegetarian chicken salad. This is for my mother-in-law, who is a vegetarian. She eats a completely plant-based diet. She's a lacto-ovo vegetarian, which means that she eats dairy products, cheese, mayonnaise, milk, that sort of thing. So you will see, while this is plant-based, it does have mayonnaise, it does have cream cheese. And so I'm using today a Worthington roll of turkey. And when you blend this up in the food processor, shred it up rather, it turns into just the texture you want for chicken salad. So I am just cutting it up now into small pieces so that it can go into the food processor. And now that I've processed it, I'm just going to be dumping it into this bowl so I can prepare it for the chicken salad. And I will link the Worthington product down below. So this really was a use what you have. So the other part of the roll we had used for her to make a smothered turkey, sliced smothered turkey for Thanksgiving, and I had this part of the roll left, and so I said I'm gonna just make her some chicken salad. And so I had a little bit of red bell pepper that I've added here, and then I added celery. What's chicken salad without celery? I also have some fresh parsley as well, and all of that I chopped up in the food processor. And now you see me coming out with my litany of seasonings. And I'm doing mostly seasonings, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, but you will see me putting in garlic powder. You'll see me putting in lemon pepper, also paprika, and a few other various things. And the Worthington meat, it literally doesn't taste like much. So you have to actually add a lot of flavor. And so now what I'm doing, before I add all of the wet ingredients, I'm just giving this a dry mix. And then now you see me adding a combination of mayonnaise, cream cheese, and a little bit of honey for sweetness. And this really takes thorough mixing to get everything incorporated, all of the veggies incorporated, and all of the wet stuff incorporated as well. And this is chicken salad. You can add whatever you like. So, some people add half grapes and they add grapes. Some people like to do almonds or pecans. Some people like to do little bitty pieces of apple, diced apple. You can also add red onion to this. Whatever you have on hand and whatever you like in your chicken salad, you can add to this. Another thing that you can do is also add garbanzo beans. If you blend those up in the food processor, and that can also help to bind your chicken salad together. So you can see, as I continue to mix this manually, how it's starting to really look like chicken salad. And taste like it too, quite honestly.
Y'all better come up here and get one of these.
What's that?
It's a chicken salad.
From where?
81st Deli.
What's on it?
Superior. I got chicken, pickles, banana peppers, bell peppers, tomatoes, onions.
And now you just see me getting it packed up to go. I'll get this all packed up and refrigerated until my husband can take it by her house later. And just the final sprinkle of paprika, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching.